is for ant, albatross, apple, and asparagus. B is for bear, rat, banana, and broccoli. C is for cat, crow, cherry, and carrot. D is for dog, love, date, and drumstick. E is for elephant, eagle, elderberry, and eggplant. F is for fox, flamingo, fig, and fennel. G is for goat, goose, grapes, and garlic. H is for horse, hen, honeydew, and horseradish. I is for iguana, ABCD, and fig, prickly pear, and iceberg lettuce. J is for jaguar, jaybird, jackfruit, and jalapeno. K is for kangaroo, kingfisher, kiwi, and kale. L is for lion, lark, lemon, and lettuce. M is for monkey, magpie, mango, and mushroom. N is for newt, nightingale, nectarine, and nori seaweed. O is for ox, ostrich, orange, and onion. P is for panda, parrot, papaya, and pumpkin. Q is for quail, quetzal, quinset, and quinoa. R is for rabbit, robin, raspberry, and radish. S is for sheep, sparrow, strawberry, and spinach. T is for tiger, turkey, tomato, and turnip. U is for Ariel, Welsh, umbrella bird, ugly fruit, and illico. V is for vulture, vireo, velvet, apple, and vegetable marrow. W is for wolf, woodpecker, watermelon, and wasabi. X is for xeris, African ground squirrel, xanthus, bird, and silconaso, cactus, vegetable. Y is for yak, yellowhammer, yam, and yun, and hackberry fruit. Z is for zebra, finch, zucchini, and Ziziphus, bird fruit.